Thank you so much for the chance to take photos of your preschooler this fall. We had a really great time, and thank you just for taking some time to watch this tutorial and see how easily you can access your photos and order downloads and prints. When you either scan your QR code or type in the link from your info sheet, you will arrive at a web page like this. All you need to do is type in your name and a good email and click View Gallery. You will then be in your child's gallery. So you can take a look at my daughters, Abigail and Hannah. They also attend Temple Preschool. I've already gone through and hearted my favorites. You can do so by clicking the heart at the bottom of the image. If you'd like to see one up close, you can just click into it. You can use these side arrows to go on to the next one. If you were to click download photo, it'll let you know that you need to purchase the images. And that you can do that in the shop. You can also click buy if you'd like. Take a look at all of the options of prints, canvases, photo cards, look into other products, and then the digital downloads are $15 per image. So I'm going to go ahead and click see other products. Take a look at the different print products that we have available to you. This is just a reminder that when you heart your own child's photos in the gallery, they will be set apart in a little tab called My Likes, and so that will really help your ordering process by being able to just pull up your students' photos. I'm excited to share that we've got gift cards that you can purchase for your loved ones so they can order their own family photos here. I love these two, especially this time of year. You can buy your holiday cards. They do have some themed ones as well. You can check that off your to-do list. And Christmas ornaments. These are super cute. And then, of course, prints and canvases and high-resolution downloads. And then up here, as you might have seen in the initial info sheet, I've created 3 print packages for you with them listed below. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to customize your own print package. So I've clicked the middle package. Again, at the top, it shows you what's included, and over here, the price. These packages do discount just a little bit, versus if you were to buy each of these items a la carte. So I love these wallets. I'm very excited to order some wallets for my girls. So over here, you'll have a tab called My Likes. And if you click that, it'll narrow down the focus of just the images that you have hearted and favorited. So for this, two wallets, sets of 8, I want one of each. And then this one, you see, it's a little bit far away. So I love that you are able to customize even further and edit the photos by cropping. So I'm going to zoom in a little on Abigail. So you can use this bar up here and then just drag your image to where you would like it and then click OK. And I can look at the previous, which is my photo of Hannah. Okay, and there's sweet Hannah. And I clicked OK. You can also change it to landscape, but I'm keeping both of these in portrait. Okay, so I've got my 2 photos, and it does instruct you to select the 2 to meet the package requirement. And again, we're looking at wallets, and you can see over here on the right-hand side at the top what it'll look like. So I'm going to click Done Editing. All right, so please take note of this. It is going to prompt you to make sure that you have set the crop to exactly what you would like it to be. I've already done that, so I don't need to review, so I'm going to click Continue anyways. And then up here you can see that it has auto-filled that I have completed and customized that part of this package. I'm going to now select my 4 4x6s. So I'm going to start customizing. I'm going to create a new design. And I'm going to speed this part up because I am just really picking the 4 photos that I wanted, and then I'm going in and adjusting the crops just like you saw me do for the wallets. And you can see it has shown that I zoomed in on these. I'm going to click Done Editing. It'll say, are you sure about the crop? And I'm going to say, yes, continue anyways. Okay, and then I'm going to speed this up again because completing the rest of this package is using the same skills and the same tools. So you go in, you set the crop to whatever you'd like it to be for both the 5x7s and the 8x10s. And then also in this second package, I've included a circle metal ornament for a holiday gift, or obviously you don't have to do it as a gift. You can put it on your own tree. But I think these ornaments are just so cute. And I think I'm going to get this one of Hannah smiling because I've got a very sweet ornament of Abby at this age. So now I'll have one of each. And I'll click Done Editing. Okay, and so this was everything that package 2 included. So I'm going to just click Add to Cart. And if that's all you wanted, you can go ahead and click proceed to check out. But I think I would like to look at a couple more things. Your cart will always be in the upper right hand corner. So even if you do go back to your gallery, if you wanted to just go back and see what else there was, maybe that you hadn't hearted that you wanted to include, your store will always be up here and it will save your items. These holiday cards are super cute and there are lots of options, and if you are just looking to check something off your to-do list this holiday season, this is a really great option. So these are some of the options when it comes to the framed photos. We got, you see across the top all of those different options. I'm going to pick a 10 by 10. Within this you can get a 6 by 6 photo, a 10 by 10 fill the frame, or an 8 by 8 with a little bit of a matted frame right there. Again, we're using the same cropping tool. My favorites are down here below. I can just select from nice and easily, set it to the crop that I want, and then go ahead and add to cart. I'm going to go ahead and click proceed to check out, and you can see the frame that I added, the 5 by 7 folded cards, and then the package that we put together. So down here it's going to have a checkbox that says acknowledge photos are being cropped to fit printed size. So this is your chance to one last time double check all the crops that you have set for your photos. If you like how they look, you're going to check that box down there. And here you will input your shipping information and it will lead you into your credit card information, and that is how you do it. Oh, I did want to take a second to show you all of the ornament options. So there's the circle that's included in 2 of our print package options. There's an oval, and just there are some really classic looks, and these are metal ornaments. So they're going to be really great quality and honestly be a really nice gift maybe for grandparents or aunts and uncles, or maybe for your child themselves, so they've got a little piece of themselves that they can hang on the tree each year growing up. So yeah, just wanted to show you those variations there. I did want to make one note about the watermark on these images. So when you purchase a download, the watermark will not be on your photo. So this is really just here to show that these photos have not been purchased. If you purchase a digital download or a print product, then the watermark will no longer be on your image. Just wanted to say thank you so much. We really had a great time serving your families and taking photos of your sweet little ones. It was really, truly so much fun. And if you're still here and listening, just an extra special thank you. I hope that you find this nice and user-friendly, and if you do have any questions, feel free to send me an email. You can fill out a contact form through my website, emilysaundersphotographs.com, and I can help you out with that. The time frame is quite limited, from October 21st through November 6th, so be sure to get your orders placed within that time frame. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Bye-bye.